You're welcome. In this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to delete repost on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, first of all click on the TikTok app. Click on this and you can see here option of repost. Click on that. This video will be reposted on your TikTok account. Now click on the profile and you can see here option. Click on that and that video will be reposted. And now you want to delete this reposted video on TikTok. Click on this arrow and click on remove repost in blue icon. Now you can see here that reposted video will be deleted from your account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.